Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Fountains of Wayne, and the song that we are going to listen to is Troubled Times. It is going to be a first time single take honest reaction for our patron Jono.
Pure, raw, unscripted, genuine, authentic, impromptu, sincere, from the heart, single take every single time. That's the only way we know to do it, the only way we always do it, the only way we'll do it every single time without ever changing. Let's get started. Fountains of Wayne, Troubled Times. That's what we have right now in many parts of the world.
Troubled Times.
When you think you found something worth holding on to, were you reaching for attention, hoping she would notice you collecting bottles and thrown away cans like she was returnable, one day would refill your hands. How she loved you, all you imagine fits so well into your plans. Maybe one day soon it'll all come out, how you dream about each other sometimes, with a memory of how you once gave up, but you made it through the troubled times. Piling away every hour in your room, rolling with emotion, waiting till it's opportune, sitting there watching time fly past you. Why do tomorrow what you could never do? How she loved you, all you imagine, all the shit you put her through. Maybe one day soon it'll all come out, how you dream about each other sometimes, with a memory of how you once gave up, but you made it through the troubled times. And it takes a lot of her to ask how she is doing. Start with a weak foundation, you will end in ruins. The way the days and hours pass, you never understand, falling like rain through your hands. Maybe one day soon it'll all come out, how you dream about each other sometimes, with a memory of how you once gave up, but you made it through the troubled times. One day soon it'll all come out, how you dream about each other sometimes, with a memory of how you once gave up, but you made it through the troubled times.
Beautiful, beautiful. It captures one's imagination, especially the younger ones. If they actually read between the lines, if they actually listen carefully, there's a lot of wisdom in there. You know, when we are at that age, maybe you talk about a teenager, 16 to 19 specifically, you know, at that age when you're in love, you don't actually understand the value of that person, the value of that relationship. Especially if you're already in a relationship, if you're already dating, we don't kind of understand or comprehend how important it may be in the future. And this song is kind of reflecting on that. There may be troubled times, there may be testing times, but if you understand the value of what you have, you won't lose it all. And that's my understanding of it. There's a lot of wisdom in here. I love the way it was sung. It was so genuine, so heartfelt, so melodious. It was just raw, pure, unadulterated rock music, and I liked it a lot. This is the kind of music I love. Yeah, there's nothing fancy about it. No guitar solos, nothing phenomenal with the drums done, nothing really incredible with the hook. It was kept basic, it was kept simple, but the wisdom lies in the way it was sung and the lines just flowing from beginning to end, talking about so many wonderful things about a relationship, specifically a young relationship or a relationship between two people who just met at a young age and how things go between them. What are your thoughts? Anything you'd like to say?
I enjoyed it too. I enjoyed the way it was sung. I like the music throughout. As you said that probably there are no guitar solos or something for the real music listeners to, capture their imagination.
Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy. But on a basic level, it does connect a chord with the listener, which is very important. When you can connect a chord with your listener, when you can relate to with your own listeners, they can relate to you and they can say, yes, I feel it that way. That is when you have done a great job as a band, as a musician. And I feel they have done that. They have done that to connect with their masses, to connect with their audience, to connect with their fans. This is good. This is very, very good. You don't have to follow a formula to be a good musician. You have to just do you and the best of you. And that is good enough for people who listen to you, because they are not coming here or they don't choose you because you are like someone. They come to you because they think you should be you and they like you for you. And I like Fountains of Wayne for being them in this one. It is everybody's story. Everyone has to go through each and every phase of life. All of us have gone through each of the years of a human life, at least till whatever age we live. We have all lived the 1 and 2 and 10 and 14 and 18. And we've all gone through our own sets of experiences, our own sets of problems and the difficulties that have come, and also the enjoyments and the joy that we had at that time. And it's about how we take it, how we understand it, how much we understood back then, and learning things from it, basically.
Yeah, and you're absolutely right. Whatever Kirti said, whatever I've already said, the wisest line I've read in this song, or in most songs I've heard today, this is one of the wisest lines. And I say it's wise because, at that age, they don't know about this. Most of us, even when I look back at my own life and I reflect on my first, relationship, maybe it was with a girl ages ago. I was a teenager too at that time. When I look back at it, I don't realize at that time that one day it will all come out. Whatever happened, whatever I felt, it will all come out, but we don't realize it at that time. At that time, we just, we are not sure about anything. At the same time, that is the beauty of it, that we are unsure about how things will go, whether in life or whether in a relationship.
There are a lot of impulse things also that take place because you're not sure of what is to come. People get panicky, people think they are going to lose things, and then impulse decisions also happen. So yeah.
Reminds me a lot of bands like Five for Fighting, little bit of Toad the Wet Sprocket. Reminds me of it, this song specifically. I don't know if other songs I can say it's that way, but this song definitely reminds me of Toad the Wet Sprocket as well as Five for Fighting. And both of them have very meaningful song lyrics, whatever we've heard at least. And Fountains of Wayne is showing that possibly they are the third such band, very similar sounding, very similar vibes and very similar topics.
Okay.